Hi, you guys. Today I want to talk to you just a little bit about adrenal support. So the adrenals, if they're not working optimally, you might feel pretty stressed, or you might feel a lot of exhaustion, things like that. So we're going to make a roller bottle to help support your adrenal system. So I've already put a label on here, and I'm going to use this little purple bottle. Of course, I'm going to use my funnel, and we're going to start with frankincense. Frankincense is really good for overall cellular support. It's good for a healthy inflammation response in your body. It's great for skin, wrinkles, scars, things like that. And we're going to use 9 drops of frankincense. So let's get going here. All right, that was easy. Next, we're going to do basil. Basil has a lot of great properties and it smells good. You can also use doTERRA's basil in cooking. If you're going to use it in cooking, just stick a toothpick down the center of the bottle and just put that into your food, because these oils can be super powerful and you don't want it to have too much basil in it. So basil is good for cleansing, it's good for relaxing, it supports a healthy life cycle for your cells. It's great for helping you focus, which is something I need, and it can also soothe bug bites. So this is a great oil to have on hand. So we're going to use 9 drops of the basil as well. There we go. And the last oil that we're going to use is geranium. Geranium is a floral, and I love the floral scents. It's good for your skin, for your hair. It helps support a healthy hormone response in your body, and it may help with inflammatory response as well. And I really like the smell of it. It can be a little overpowering sometimes, but I like it. So we're going to use 8 drops of geranium. There's 8 drops of that. And we're going to use the fractionated coconut oil to top it off, just up to about here on the bottle. And just squeeze that in there. It's super easy. This one's a little hard to see through. There we go. All right, there's that. Now I'm going to put the bottle in my little handy dandy gadget. Just stick the top right on there, that roller bottle, that stainless steel roller bottle. Let's see if it's on there all the way. No, it's a little bit farther. There we go, finally. These can be a little tough sometimes. And then we'll just put the lid right on there and just kind of mix it up a little bit. And there you go. So easy to make these little DIY roller bottles. And I love supporting our system as much as we can. And this doesn't replace going to a doctor. I never mean to infer that in any way, but it can help support things. So there you go. This is the Adrenal Support Roller Bottle Blend. So I really appreciate you guys watching. And if you would like, subscribe, and share, that would be amazing. Again, thanks so much for watching. You take care. Bye.